Hey, kiddos, welcome to Investigation 6.4, Module 21. Today you're going to need your regular notebook or the digital notebook, Chromebook, and then this weekly work list down here will be helpful because you can double check your answers with that if you take a look at the notebook page. Our question today that we're going to be answering is, how do the amounts of dissolved gases and silica content affect the type of volcanoes that form? So you're going to get a chance to see that there are really four different kinds of volcanoes. Um, and the way that they look really has to do with the amount of dissolved gas and the amount of silica that's in the magma inside that volcano. So Hawaii has very different volcanoes than the west coast of the United States and the west coast of um, South America. So get a chance to take a look at those. So we're going to use a virtual lab called Forces of Nature by National Geographic. Sorry. You might want to watch a tutorial first. Something that I noticed is when I went to the screen, when I went to the simulation, I thought that it was just a placeholder. If you look right here, this is what you have to click on to get to volcanoes. You're going to show up first and be at a different natural disaster, and you'll want to click on volcanoes. So here it shows you to click on volcanoes as your force. Then click to 6, make your own volcano. You can skip 1 through 5. Copy the image in your notebook, change the amount of dissolved gases, and create different types of volcanoes. Record your results. This is a data table mostly filled in for you already. All you're going to need to do is decide as you're looking through it what volcano type it is, and then sketch a drawing. So which one has low, so in the box put low dissolved gases, low silica content. Take a look at that volcano, write down what the type is. The choices are going to be composite, lava dome, shield, or cinder cone. Draw what that looks like, and then you'll have the whole table filled in. So this is the website, Forces of Nature. You're going to have to, again, let us use Flash. So enable it, click allow. It'll say Tornado Lab. And like I said before, it looks like it's just a placeholder. Just click. It's going to stay really small on your screen. It's going to take up maybe 1/9 of your screen. Click on the volcano. It's the second one, and then you'll get a chance to see those types. After you're done, watch this video called Meet the Volcanoes. It'll go through them and just kind of reiterate the different types in your mind. There are very different volcanoes. The ones in Hawaii are erupting pretty continuously. Mount St. Helens, every who knows how many years in between eruptions. So take a look at the differences of those. Random fact, the northern part of Wisconsin by Superior and Minnesota Duluth used to have shield type volcanoes like Hawaii. And you can see if you go up there, there's a lot of black rock, and that's volcanic rock from those oozing types of volcanoes. Your data table on slide 4 is your summary. If you want to check your answers, go to the work list. There will be a thing that'll say on notebook page. You can look at a teacher's notebook page and just double check that you got the ones in the right order. So the plan today is to complete that focus lesson and the summary, and then take the quiz in Google Classroom. Thanks, and have a great today. I hope you're enjoying that work. It's supposed to be pretty warm this week. So cool.